How's it going, YouTube? Phoenix Studio here today, and playing Flood Escape. I'm gonna explain, like, okay, so pretty much like last night I did make a video with someone else, but I wasn't able to post that. But but this video is going to be posted up today, and hopefully I can have a video with someone else up today too. Yeah, all right. I'm just playing Flood Escape. You know, I've never played this game, keep in mind, so I have no idea what it's about. Multiplayer, extreme, adventure mode. Has it to be? I didn't unlock it or developed. Okay, training, extreme, 10 more. All right, let's get right in. And multiplayer. Okay, so 5 players needed to escape. I'll go to the green. Oh, everyone's here, so I'll go here too. Man, medium at the first. Okay, whatever. I died. I had no idea where to go. Okay, we're gonna get another game started now. Okay, we're gonna head straight to easy. So hopefully we can get a little bit more on easy, and then we can head up to medium, and then hopefully people will go play hard too. If I was able to complete the first one for medium, I should be able to complete at least 2 for it. Right, we're going down now. Why you be so hard, life? Life, why you so hard? Okay, we're gonna go in here now. Okay. So now, we wait. That elevator music though. Oh, hard. Let's see if we can do that. Let's game can be like strategy based. Okay. I did the big one. Okay, so let's see what we can do in here. Stupid doors. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and rate it hard. Okay, now. Yeah, we're going down now. Fail. Oh, that was horrible. So what the I died. How did I die? All I did was hit the door. I feel your pain, buddy. Alright, well, now we're gonna go in here. We'll get our last round in now. I don't want to make this video too long. Oh, 3 players in, dog. I'll go in here. No, move. Dang. Block me and then you move. Alright. So, yeah. This was Flood Escape, a game by Crazy Blocks. Let me just end it off right in front of Extreme, because that's what I am. Extreme Rider Man. Do this. Extreme. And, yeah. That's all for now. Phoenix Studios. Bye, guys.